All right, in problem 65, we're taking a look at somebody who's planning on investing some money. So before we start this, I want to go over a quick side problem. If you have a simple interest of 7% or 9%, it doesn't matter which one. If I'm investing, let's say, $1,000, and I want to know how much interest I'm going to make, I'm going to multiply that by the 7%, or 0.07. That would give me $70. So investing $1,000 times your percent of interest is going to give you the amount of interest you'll make. That is different than if I wanted to say how much money would be in my account. That would be $1,000 times 1.07, which would be 100% plus the 7%. That would give me $1,070, and that's the amount that's in the account. So for this problem, we're looking at strictly the interest, so something like that. Now, getting into the problem, they're going to invest some money at 7%. So we don't know how much money it is, but 30% of the money, so let's call the amount of money X. 30% of that is going to be 0.3 times X. That then is going to get invested at the 7%, so 0.07. So without knowing how much money that is, I take that value and multiply it to the 7%, and I will get 0.021x. So however much money this x value is, if I multiply it by that, that is the amount that I will make on that bond investment. So that answer is 0.021x. For problem B, I'm going to do something very, very similar. I want to take a look at the stock investment. So 70% is going to go into that. So 0.7 of, again, X amount of dollars is going to go into that stock. And that's going to be at 9%, 0.09. That is then going to give, when I multiply it together, 0.063 times X. So now problem C, I'm using both of these pieces of information. So now the question is saying, if I want to make an annual income of $5,000, how much does the client need to put in initially? So we know that 0.021x plus 0.063x, that's the two amounts from the different investments. We want that to equal $5,000. There's my equation. Combining like terms on the left, I get 0.084x equals 5,000. Divide both sides by 0.084. There's my giant 1. So I have x equals about $59,523.81. So, using the amount of money and investment and the rates they gave us, if this client would invest that much money, they would make $5,000 annually.